Video, we are going to Ikea. I don't really have anything specific to get from Ikea, but for sure I want to go see what new stuff they have, and I wanted to show you guys some good stuff that you could get at Ikea that you probably didn't know that they had. So you guys can come along with me and let's get into the video. Oh, and by the way, I just wanted to talk about this hair really quick. I did my Wetline Extreme review last week. It's been exactly 7 days and my hair still looks good, and I'm still in shock. Can you guys believe that my hair is 7 days old and still looks like this? Like, I still have curls. This is crazy. So I'm pumping gas at the gas station, and this is what is happening. It's not even moving.
2,000 years later.
So I just had to stop pumping gas, and I literally just only put $3 in my tank because it started to make like this weird buzzing sound, and I was like, nah, I'm about to just leave and go to a different gas station because this gas station is on some other stuff. I don't know. So I just got to Ikea and I'm about to go inside. I'm gonna go through and show you guys kind of like what's new, what I like, what I think you guys might find helpful if you do decide to get it, as far as like organization and stuff like that, because that's really what I go to Ikea for, is to kind of like organize everything. So let's go inside and see what's new. So this is the first thing I noticed when I walked in. This is a cute new pillow cover. They come with different prints. They also got a new chandelier. I'm not into chandeliers, but just in case you guys are. I really like this wine rack they got. Look at that. This is cool. I might need something like this. I don't know if you guys remember, I had these for my bathroom organization. They still carry them. They're called Dragon. I also have this at home too, but I have the bigger version. This is the Brunsta, and it goes over the bulbs. The bulb is called a Nideo. I don't know if you guys see in my kitchen, but I have them in my kitchen. I also been meaning to get some of these cubicles for Jahira's room for like her toys, and they also have like cute baskets to go inside of them, different colors, different styles. The name of the white insert, which is this one, and the brown one is called Bronus. They also come in white. This new plant is so cute. It's called Fejka. I think it's a really good aesthetic. Here you have the famous YouTube guru makeup drawer. These are the Alex drawers. $89. I love these new bowls. These are called Blonda Matte. These are cute for like your kitchen to like hold onions and garlic and stuff. These are good for like makeup drawers. You can just like put a whole bunch of them in the drawer to organize and separate your makeup. They're called Stoja. They're $3.99. This is a good shelf for like your purses. What is it called? This one doesn't have a name on it. These little boxes that you could use in your closet to organize stuff like your scarves, your, I don't know, scarves or your jewelry or whatever. This must be new. So cute. I've been on the hunt to find these things for the longest to hold my pants in the closet. This is the name of it, but without this part. So that's the organizers for pants and bottoms and stuff. I also been wanting to get these for the longest to hold like receipts and all of the messy stuff on top of the dresser, because sometimes we like to throw receipts and like random stuff from our pockets onto the dresser, mostly men. This is also a good shoe organizer. This is the Lack. Or you can use it as a bookshelf, whatever. This is a cute bathroom organizer. It's called Dinin. And also this is cute. I've never seen this before. No, it doesn't have a name. But it's cute. These are cute too. Oh, I didn't know these were stackable. Cute towel rack for the bathroom. I've been wanting this dresser so bad. It's called the Brimnes and it comes in white. I actually want the white one. These are the mirrors that they have now. I have this mirror and I have that mirror. Don't know the name of this one because it doesn't have a name on it. But this one is called the forget it. Interesting nightstand. So I just left. I actually ran out of time because I have to go get Jahira, and I did not realize how much time I was in there. So I'm gonna schedule this for another day, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Now I got cars, now I got clothes, now I got money. Now I got crowds.